In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets using Google Drive. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace in your browser. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel. From anywhere in ClickUp, look down that left-hand column until you see the option labeled More. Go ahead and click that. This expands some additional options that aren't always visible in the main sidebar. When the extra options appear, look for one called Apps. This is where ClickUp lets you connect with other tools and services. Click on Apps and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the available integrations you can enable in your workspace. Now, you might notice there isn't a direct integration labeled just Google Sheets. That's completely normal. Instead, ClickUp connects to Google Drive, and through Drive you can access and attach your Google Sheets files. So the key is to link Google Drive to ClickUp. On the Apps page, scroll until you find the Google Drive option. Once you see it, click on Google Drive. This will open the specific integration view for Drive, where you can set up the connection. Here, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click that. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where Google handles the authorization process. If you have pop-ups blocked in your browser, you may need to allow them temporarily so this window can open correctly. In the pop-up, you'll be shown a list of Google accounts that are available. Click on the Google account that you want to connect to ClickUp. Ideally, use the same account where your Google Sheets and other Drive files are stored, especially if this is for work. After choosing your account, you'll be taken to a permissions screen. Click on Continue to move forward. You'll see a detailed list of what ClickUp is requesting access to in your Google Drive. To keep things simple and ensure everything works properly, click on Select All. This grants ClickUp the necessary permissions to find and attach your Google Sheets along with other Drive files. Once you've selected all, click Continue again to confirm. When the authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to ClickUp. You should see a confirmation message in the Google Drive integration view. To finish up, click on Done. Your ClickUp workspace is now connected to Google Drive, and you can attach and work with your